are the Daily Tech Headlines for Monday, November 17th, 2025. I'm Sarah Lane. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports that Apple is shifting to a year-round iPhone release cycle starting in 2026, with a fall lineup including the iPhone 18 Pro, the Pro Max, and Apple's first foldable model, followed in spring 2027 by the non-Pro iPhone 18 family and possibly an iPhone Air. The foldable device is reportedly crease-free with Touch ID instead of Face ID and a larger interior display. Gurman also said Apple is planning a curved glass iPhone 20 with no bezel for the product's 20th anniversary. Google DeepMind announced WeatherNext 2, a new global forecasting model that can generate hourly resolution predictions and produce hundreds of possible weather scenarios from a single input. Google says it runs 8 times faster on a single TPU and outperforms the previous model on almost every atmospheric variable up to 15 days. WeatherNext 2 is now powering forecasts in Google Search, Gemini, Pixel Weather, and Google Maps platform's Weather API, with data available on Earth Engine, BigQuery, and early access through Vertex AI. Jeff Bezos is CEO again. Well, he is co-CEO of Project Prometheus, a new AI startup. The New York Times reports that the company plans to build AI systems that learn from observing and interacting with the physical world, with early focus areas including engineering, manufacturing, and aerospace. Bezos is co-CEO to Vic Bajaj, formerly of Google X and Verily. Sky Sports shut down its new women-targeted TikTok channel called Halo 3 days after launch, following criticism that the content was condescending. Rather than focusing on women's sports, Halo pushed pink branding, hot girl walks, chatter about matcha tea, and shipping memes. Sky deleted all posts and paused the project, despite its social lead Andy Gill initially praising the launch and claiming it was driven by women on the team. Bloomberg reports Chinese investors are shifting from AI chip makers to energy, metals, and infrastructure companies over concerns about high AI stock valuations. Energy firms, utilities, and metal producers linked to AI infrastructure are seeing strong demand. Some analysts note that China's low power costs and large generation capacity position it well for AI infrastructure. A little bit more Google news. The company announced it will invest $40 billion through 2027 to build 3 new AI-focused data centers in Texas. The sites will be in Western, Armstrong, and Haskell counties, with additional spending planned for Google's Midlothian campus and Dallas Cloud region. CEO Sundar Pichai said that the projects will create thousands of jobs and support workforce training. Texas Governor Greg Abbott called it Google's largest ever investment in any state. Google also appears to continue collecting sensor data from first and second generation Nest Learning thermostats, even after disabling remote control and support. Security researcher Cody Kosiemba discovered the devices still transmit information on temperature, humidity, light, motion, and occupancy. Google maintains that the data is used for diagnostics and doesn't affect customers since support is fully discontinued. Kosiemba uncovered this while creating an open source software to restore smart features and has received around a $15,000 bounty for his work. And finally today, Hearst Networks has commissioned UK-based Particle 6, founded by Tilly Norwood creator Eline van der Velden, to produce Stratton van Toen, a 10-episode AI-led short-form history series for the History Channel in the Netherlands. Dutch investigator Corjan Mol will explore modern streets while AI recreates historical scenes using archival materials and imagined characters. Each episode ends with Mol reflecting on the historical significance. The series launches in January. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. That is where you can find show notes and links to all these headlines there as well. I'm Sarah Lane. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.